nothing more than pieces of.
Yeah.
Ooh. See, that's what I like.
I didn't say it. I didn't say it.
I said it.
I don't know. That's what I like to hear. But I'm in no fear. I'm in here. I do this all the time. I spit the livest rhymes. From upstate New York to Alabama. I'm
What?
singing hammer. I put you in the slammer, the chokehold. I have no mold. I'm so cold. Your style is so old.
I'm
You say
hot.
the same stuff, but I can't allow that. My rhymes are so tough, I can bounce back. Your sounds is whack. I'm like
What?
crack fiends on. When I put something else, the fiends need it. When I put something else, it's all green. When I put something out, I lead the lead. When I put something out, that's for you to succeed. When I leave, go to folkless and happiness, the rap god, nothing more than a fraud. No mirage here. You can't see through me because I'm all real. Muscles in the grill. You know what I'm saying? I feed you meals. I help you think about what you gonna say
Really,
next.
motherfucker? I fed her meals. What the fuck you talking about? Shit.
I feed myself.
I know you feed yourself, but you get your knowledge from the pod. Don't act. That's whack.
You have to
Bounce
explain
back.
yourself.
See, I'm on this next Genesis. From Genesis to Revelation. I'm patient. That's what line you said, right? But who said that night? I'm always right. I can't defeat you. You can't succeed past me. I'm the pinnacle of this rap game. I'm the raps and minerals. Bicentennials. I rank higher than them average generals.
Time, gotta let her go.
Average generals.
And I wasn't done yet.
Oh.
See, I'm still a vet.
No, let me start. You just say vet? Okay,
I've
alright.
been a vet. This ain't my first battle.
Alright.
Ask Sir Mac. His style was total whack. And now you about to get served like he did.
No, your rhymes are so sad. I should just give you my notepad so you can get some knowledge of me because you don't seem to know anything that I can be. I'm really smart and I know you aren't. So I just gotta say,
Think about it.
Think about it.
this is like just a sec. I'm good. Hold up.
Think about it.
Hold up. I was gonna say something. I forgot.
Think
what
about your
Let's be
style.
honest though. It does make a lot more sense.
Alright, it was like this. Oh yeah, you don't know my motto because I'm Lil Mercado. No, I didn't win the lotto, but I still didn't drop the bottle. And by that I mean is that I'm really clean, and that is what makes me sing. Anyway, maybe it don't make sense, but that is how you play defense. Between you and me, there's a freaking fence because I'm tough and well, you're really dense.
Looking for tips. Tips to his phone. Get it on the camera. Get it on the camcorder. Looking for tips. Think it's out.
I see you pulling out your phone, so you better watch your tone before I wait. What is that?
Wait, what is that?
Something for you.
Oh.
Something for you.
What is it?
Now you can say that for me.
I don't want to. These sound like crap.
Did you Did you say so?
Let me give you my notepad. Let me see this one.
Oh.
She got a
See,
school.
CJ. Let it go.
Hey, stop it.
Hey,
She'll give it back. She'll give it back.
sit down right.
Read all these.
Turn your butt around. Sit down right.
That's probably what you look like.
That's it.
It goes down.
That's it. It's over. It's over.
He nodded yes.
Hey, shake hand. Shake hand, guys.
Oh, no.
No, I'm winning, so
Oh,
you
yeah.
bow down.
Everything.
Yeah, shake hand. Come on, shake hand. Shake
How
hand.
about that?
Shaking it.
Shake hand.